When I was in college, I came to this point and I was really confused about the end times, like when Jesus was going to come back. And the reason why is because I couldn't imagine celebrating that day knowing how many people would be going to hell. Like that was such a confusing thing for me. And the more people I talked to about it, the more people are registered with in the same way. How could we celebrate this day and rejoice in this day when people um, or would be going to hell? And I remember talking to this one guy, and he said, "You've got the wrong emphasis. You're putting the emphasis on humanity rather than God. And when you do that, you're going to come to the wrong answer every time because out of that natural desire to love people, you're going to measure things from that perspective." And I think a version of that is what's happened with our society. We've taken our desire to love people and make sure everyone feels loved and accepted, and no matter what the issue is, and then that's translated into things such as gender identity, sexuality, these areas that they don't really have negotiating places within our faith if we look to God for guidance and those answers and correctness and understanding. Once we start looking from the human perspective, it'll get cloudy every time. And so I don't think that there's a line you're going to be able to draw as the future continues. Um, Ethnicity, gender identity, sexuality. From our human perspective and our desire to make sure everyone feels okay, we'll include everything that we possibly can eventually. But if we look at this from a holy perspective, measure on who God has called us to be as humanity, things that could actually be right and could actually be wrong, the answers are a lot more simple. So I think it's just that perspective and that measuring stick. And the reason why I made a video is there's no way I could have typed that out.